going to start by telling you how not to hang it. As you can see, this mirror has a crack in it. There's the damage that was left, and here's the hardware that kept it up. I actually like these hooks. The weight rating, 60 pounds.
Destroy these 60-some pounds.
Now you can see that I bent the end of it. Here's the point at which the screw needs to fix into. Not a lot of depth. In order for the mirror to fit around this without being pushed off, that's what I had to do. Now I've done that for others and it was fine. It sat for a year.
For a year?
But the other day, it was sitting a little more precariously. There was no earthquake, and this mirror doesn't weigh anywhere near 60 pounds. Nonetheless, it fell out of the wall. I'm going to use one of these, and this is leftover from IKEA or one of those, and just a screwdriver to hang this mirror. I'm going to put this where that hole is, take advantage of the damage I see. If this goes the way I expect it to, this will cover up the hole in a way that it's not going to tear further, and it will hold my mirror for me. Here's the point at which the hardware screw needs to fix into, and you can tell not a lot of depth. Maybe you can't tell because the camera angle's so bad. Not a lot of depth. If you do the drywall anchor and screw technique, you'll have plenty of room to hang that thing. Now, unless you're exceptionally tall, I recommend you grab a chair. You want the right angle. You don't want to put this in from below. Use our Teal handled screwdriver. It's good to have a good fit on this. I'm just holding this straight and it's pushing in quite easily, expanding, drilling itself into the wall there. All right, super easy. I just went and found my assortment of screws because I think this one has the right length. Oh yeah, it's definitely biting in, and this isn't too long of a screw. I don't usually recommend climbing up on your sink, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Hardware has hooked on to the screw, and that's all that's holding it. And you see how quick that happened. Whoa, shaky cam. There's a little bit of a gap back there. That'll put a nice natural angle on the mirror. It's that easy. With nothing more than some simple hardware, anchor and a screw, and a Teal handled screwdriver, you're ready to hang mirrors, pictures, or that hideous artwork that your in-laws gave you. In that case, you might want to use something like this. Just make sure it's a little undersized, and then pray that it falls off the wall and you never have to look at it again. Have a great day!